Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Akar pat. Apinom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Akar University, Meghalaya.
Kakenhun Menteri ke Sorkar Jala kala ajing Mynjur ban ai sanpau akar ke jaka haksnong Mawkhanu chaka Xavier'S University nak benta ban bu ya campus hajan nong ba shalong aba pentip ya kani hadin blawai ke jingalang kenhun menteri kabralong ha pratrik unaitung arja penriu menteri nong ba ke Jala konrat ke sangma uliatu blasim ya kani ka rai hadin ke jingatai sani kabralong dagi snem nadu ba ke Jala kala Mynjur ya ka an nak benta ke jing ajing bit ban sangi ki skul ba de kenhun simet apo ke Jala dia tu bag Sorkar klayok pedang yak city nagi bor penia ke Xavier'S ki bapan jaka chispa Akar ndai ke Sorkar kla Mynjur ban ai tang sanpau Akar.
As you're aware, a few years back we had passed the act to establish the Xavier'S University. And during the process, of course, there were a lot of discussions and negotiations that took place. And finally, we received a letter from Xavier'S authorities that they required 100 acres of land from the government to establish the Xavier'S University. And after detailed discussion, we have decided as a cabinet that we will be able to give 50 acres to Xavier'S in Mawkhanu at a rate of about 1 lakh rupees per hectare, which is at a very concessional rate. And of course, this is being done because Xavier'S is a premier institute. And this is an investment that we're making in our youth and in our future generation. Because by having institutes like the Xavier'S University coming in, which is a brand known all over the country and the world, we are very positive that it will have a very huge impact, especially on higher technical education and the different opportunities that it will have for our youth. And this goes in line with our commitment towards education and our vision to take the overall education sector to greater heights and also to provide better opportunities for our youth of our state and the region as a whole.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.